Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Sean Carlson from Blackjack 98 Enterprises. I want to do an unboxing video of a new product that I had bought. It is this one right here. Let me flip the camera around. Ooh, look at this. I just purchased this from Home Hardware Online. It is a replacement of my previous pressure washer. The last one I had was a Canadian Tire brand. This one is a Home Hardware brand, Benchmark. So we're just doing a pan of the box itself. We're going to do an unboxing. I just pulled this out of my vehicle. The two employees that were in Home Hardware put this into my car. Woohoo. It's pretty nice. It's still dusty on top. So what we're going to do is we're going to strip it down and we're going to pull it apart with the biggest, baddest knife I could find. Here we go. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, so let me put this on pause and get a better angle. Alright, so I went and took off the strapping. I haven't opened the box yet. I just cut it free, so here we're about to undo the top. Look at that, eh? Here we go, the unboxing video. Pull this out. This is an empty. Put that there. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so we're going to take everything out and put them in this area here. This is the funnel. These are the nozzles. Oh, no, not the nozzles. Those would be the two red things that probably hold the handles together. Okay, this is empty part. Okay, it's just the fill thing, I think. Let's look in there. Yeah, nothing. Okay, and taking this part out. Is there something into here? There's just another fill. Yeah, okay, empty. Yeah. Oh, what do I see there? Yeah, this is the biggest piece of information that we need to know. The owner's manual, the warranty, the nozzles, look at those, nozzles, and a cleaning tip, and a cleaning thingamabob. Ooh, I'm gonna read this like 10 times, and so are you. Oh yeah, here's this part here. I kind of figured I would see this. Let's put this on something nice and, okay, so, right there. Ooh, look at that. Oh, this part. La. What's this? Is there anything in here? No, it's just fill. Okay, what's this? Oh, I see. This is to take the spark plug out and do any fixing on it. Okay. We'll take this out. Oh, I see something sticking out. Look at that. Oh, I see. This is part of the wand. Okay. Be gentle with that. And this part here. And ooh. What's this? Oh, I know what this is. This is for the fuel tank pressure relief. At least I think that's what it is. And the reason why I know all this is because my previous pressure washer had the exact same thing. Oh, and there's this, the trigger. Got the trigger. Trigger. More cardboard. Okay, what's that? This is loose. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to cut out these corners with my X-Acto knife. I'm going to unfold this out. So, here's my knife. That happens. Okay. Hold on a minute. I get my X-Acto knife. Alright, here we go. We're going to make some incision cuts all the way down. For a lot of you saying that you can make a fort out of this box. Not I could, if I want to. Look at that. Oh yeah. Can do the other side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ta-da! Here we go. I'm going to put this close to our stomach and we're going to cut ourselves open up later. I'm going to open up my wrist, yeah. Okay, that there. Take out the plastic. Undress it. Okay. Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh, yeah, okay. The top part. The top part. Right there, and all the other labels and stuff that we have to read very carefully, in which we will. Okay, now we got somewhat of an idea, hey? Ah! Did it again! Darn it! Ah, frig. It's because I crouched down with this thing in my pocket. Okay, let's do a slow pan of everything so you guys can see it. This here is the pressure regulator to turn the pressure on or off, to vary the pressure when you're starting it and putting high pressure onto your nozzle. Let's refill the oil in. Switch. Oh. Pretty nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the thing onto this here, and then I'm going to pull it off into the open over there, so that way you can have a better look so it's not on the stand right there. Here it is. It came with a hose, probably a 50-foot hose, and everything here. So these here are the instructions to read when you are starting it, right? That hose was tucked underneath the entire thing. I don't know if these air has tires, or tires have air. Kind of feels like they do. So yeah, they do. Ooh. I just rolled it out a little bit, but I'm gonna... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It feels good. I think I had a flat spot on my tire, which is why they were clunking like that, but they were clunking a little bit. Nice, nice, nice. So this, it comes with its own square thing in the bottom for that when it was transporting, but I can actually use that square piece there. It's kind of like a board. Not a particle board, but also not a piece of plywood either. I could use that with a 2x4, and I can put that on level surfaces that are at an angle, so I can create a level surface, whatever, a ramp for this to be level when I'm using it, because it's got a shut-off valve if it goes off of balance. And the reason why I know that is because of my last one. This one is a 4400 benchmark. My last one was a 42. And this one is 200 psi more powerful. Let's look at the hose. Oh, it's got writing all over it. Oh yeah. So, this here part, I think, yes. I think, oh yeah. The hose that was attached to my 4200 will work on this. Or my 4200 will work on this, yes. Okay, so this is all cardboard that you all get to look forward to. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop all this up and put it into recycling. Plastic goes into the garbage. We don't have plastic recycling in this building. And, hold on, let me flip the camera. That, ladies and gentlemen, is my new pressure washer to replace the old one, my big badass motherfucker. I now have to find a new name to call this, because that would be an insult to my last one if I called this one a big badass motherfucker. So, that will be a later video. My name is Sean Carlson from Blackjack 98 Enterprises, and I am once again in business. Hoo-yah! Have a good night.